hi Shubhanshu.
Hello, sir.
Now it is 15 days post-op. So do you remember? Don't see this. Who is this? Changed?
मैं ही हूँ but I can feel the difference.
Yeah, we can see the change. And it seems as if you have just shaved off your head and you had
It is
full hair.
looking like that.
Looking like that. And here in this portion, you did not have any hair at all.
Yes.
So that's an amazing transformation and really happy to see. अभी आप जब बैठे थे पीछे बाहर मैं ऐसे जस्ट आई वेंट इन तो ऐसे मैंने देखा मतलब मेरा नजर नहीं हटा आपके चेहरे से बाल देख के इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी नाइस ब्यूटीफुल और इतने छोटे बाल में भी इफ वी सी दिस वी cannot tell that this is a transplant except for a little thicker hair which are there obviously because these are transplanted ones as compared to the thinner hair which were present in these zones. Otherwise it looks very beautiful. How many grafts did we do for you?
Around 1800
grafts and we know this entire area was covered and we did some grafting in we brought the hairline little low from the center.
Little bit.
Yeah, and we have created a small cowlick over here, and then we worked on your temples, both the sides, and we did little bit of crown as well. And we can see over here, the donor has healed nicely.
Correct.
And this is your donor, which has kind of healed, and this is the area where we did some. How many grafts did we do in the crown?
Around 100 or
100 or 150. So remaining were done in this portion.
Different.
Okay. So your age, we have discussed like we have 2-3 previous videos which we have shared with you here. So you obviously came with some expectation, some faith, and a lot of love. So did you expect this kind of result या आपको लगता था कि
नहीं सर आई थॉट कि थोड़ा चेंज होगा बट नॉट लाइक दैट क्योंकि मैं घर पे भी गया था तो मेरी मदर इज सेइंग कि यार ये क्या चेंज हो गया है तो एकदम
it's so good now. Actually, see, I also did a transplant. My baldness was not of that great, but a little recession. But now, see, I can keep different styles. One day,
yesterday I have seen that.
Yesterday, I had a different style with band. And today, sometimes I part from here, sometimes I part from here. And I'm planning 2 songs of mine I'm going to release this year,
Okay.
Which I have composed. And obviously, I'm the model in that. So I'm going to shoot. And probably that was also one of the reasons why I did my transplant.
Okay.
So maybe for that I might keep a pony. So I'm growing hair long and see. So basically, why does a person want hair?
Actually, I feel कि some people think कि उनकी लाइफ में कॉन्फिडेंस चला गया है लाइक जो एज है मैं लाइक 26 साल का हूँ अभी मेरे बाल कम थे तो आई फील कि हाँ थोड़ा सा एज ज्यादा है बट अभी मैं बहुत पुरानी पिक्चर देख रहा था तो आई सो कि हाँ ये 7 साल 8 साल पीछे चला गया हूँ तो मे बी और लोग तो चेंज हुआ ही ऑब्वियसली बात है बट बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि लाइक कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो जाता है बट आई डोंट थिंक सो कि ऐसा कुछ होता है ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है आप इंसान वैसे ही रहते हो
Exactly.
जस्ट आपका थोड़ा लुक चेंज हो जाता है
Yes.
और कुछ नहीं
Yes. So 2 तरीके हैं ट्रांसप्लांट को इस तरीके से देखने के. एक कोई लोग बोलते हैं कि आई फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट माई सेल्फ. आप बिना बाल के भी अच्छे हैं, आप बिना बाल के भी खूबसूरत हैं. आप ये उस वक्त अपने को कमतर मत आकिए और ये आ गए तो खुशी बनाने में हर्ज क्या है और खुशी मना लेते हैं. So what transplant does, it gives you freedom to maybe style your hair, maybe wear some certain types of clothes which you always wanted to, but because of this your focus, your attention is always towards the empty areas, bald spots, and you are not feeling comfortable with yourself. So each one of us wants freedom. And freedom, perhaps somebody wants to earn money. He says, okay, I want that much of money, but what will that money do? It will give him freedom. Maybe may not need to work, or maybe not daily, or maybe it will give him freedom to enjoy the life and maybe go somewhere. Okay, so what relationship brings to you? It also brings freedom, but sometimes they take away your freedom. They become poisonous.
Yes.
So I think each one of us, all of you who are looking for hair restoration or something like that, I think first of all, again one more important thing which I liked about you and still I like about you, that is the positivity. So I know each one of you has problems with hair, and they perhaps you don't. Some of you don't might not be liking themselves. Sometimes people hate themselves for being bald. आपने कोई गुनाह नहीं किया है. हाँ, कोई गुनाह नहीं है. अगर आपके बाल कम है तो उसके लिए आप अपने आप को कोसे ना. बट जब आप फियर में होते हैं, बिकॉज अगर आप प्यार में नहीं है, अपने आप से लव में नहीं है, तो दैट मीन्स यू आर इन फियर, यू आर इन डिस्ट्रेस, यू आर एंग्विश और वॉट एवर. अब आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो फियर की है, एप्रीहेंशंस की है, और इस फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ आप सर्च करने चले एक क्लिनिक, एक डॉक्टर जो आपको इन डरों से और इन परेशानियों से छुटकारा दिला दे. जब आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी ही ऐसी है तो आप पाएंगे क्या? आप कहाँ पहुंचेंगे? आप शायद डरावने क्लिनिक, डरावने डॉक्टर या डरावने प्रोसीजर या डरावनी दवाइयों की तरफ बढ़े. ऐसा ही होगा, यही होता है. पर अगर आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी जो है वो पॉजिटिव है, आप अपने से प्यार ना कर सकें तो कम से कम अपने से नफरत तो ना करें. उस फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ सर्च ना करें कृपा करके. तो अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी को पहले थोड़ा सा बढ़ाएं, अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम करें. कुछ दिन के लिए बालों को भूल जाए, बात ही ना करें बालों की, सोचे ही ना बालों के बारे में, सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचें. तो जब आप एक हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी से सॉल्यूशंस तलाशने जाएंगे, व्हेन यू आर looking for these solutions with a higher frequency, then the doctor, the clinic, the solution will also resonate with that. Okay, and you will get what you really deserve. Okay, but we get what we are. We get only those things which we are throwing to the universe. So if you throw the frequency of fear, doubts, lack of faith, that is what you are going to get. So the best part about you is that full surrender, faith.
Yes.
That's very important. So all you have to do is start loving yourself, start believing yourself. Just don't believe things because a lot of people are telling this. Just don't believe it because some cricketer, some actor, some singer, or some XYZ celebrity or a person is telling you, oh, this is good, you should go there and get the things done. What the, I mean, that's not your frequency. आप जब भी डर या लालच में कोई कदम उठाएंगे तो आप हमेशा गलत कदम होंगे. वो हो सकता है आपको लालच आए, देखिए यार उसका तो यार ऐसे हो गया, यार ये तो बड़ा 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 जाना पहचाना बंदा है यार, इसने तो ये कर लिया, उसका तो लालच भी हो सकता है आपको दिया जा रहा हो. आपको क्या पता कि वो कितना काम वहां पर दवा का होता है और कितना काम दवाई का और ट्रांसप्लांट का होता है. You don't know. So there are a lot of things which you need to know. Now coming back to your pictures, we know you like you are grade 3 going into 4 because the crown was also a little thinning. Before coming to me, you must have consulted other clinics, other doctors. And generally, what kind of numbers you were being told for this?
They were telling me that you have to go for 2500 grafts, somewhere around 25, maybe 3000, and
Maybe 3000.
2500 3000. और इसके बाद दे सेड कि आप अपना प्लान कर लो जब भी कराना. तो मैं उस समय मतलब ऑलमोस्ट रिसर्च चल रहा था कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. तो देन आई सॉ ऑल द वीडियोस, तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, तो सारी वीडियोस देखी. एंड देन आफ्टर 1 ईयर इधर पे आने के बाद पता चलता कि 2500 की जरूरत नहीं थी एक्चुअली. 1500 से 1800 की जरूरत थी. एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड हियर.
Exactly. So see the number of grafts. That's a big game actually. See, in most of the cases, you will find people overdoing or over promising the numbers. They may or may not be delivered. These numbers may or may not be possible also. In many cases, these numbers are not possible. In low grade baldness, in your grade of baldness, you will see people doing 3000, 4000 also. And then these patients are put on 1 mg finasteride daily.
Okay, to sustain the results.
Not only sustain the results. You know what finasteride does? Finasteride improves thickness in these areas. Finasteride improves thickness in these areas where you have thinning. Even if we don't put a single graft there, finasteride is going to fill this entire thing up.
Okay.
Absolutely. And all these areas will become thick. So 3 aspects of hair transplant which finasteride works upon. 1, the coverage, amount of coverage, area. So because even if we don't put there, we get coverage. So a person thinks that this is a big transplant, very good transplant result. Doctor might not have put a single graft in that portion, but they are growing because of finasteride.
Yes.
Second is density. Now, suppose if I put 3 grafts in this portion, 3 grafts, and then I put you on finasteride, okay, and because finasteride will improve the thickness,
Yes.
so it will look dense. You will see, oh my God, crown got filled. Wow, what a wonderful result! But only 3 grafts. So in this portion, the lead actor was finasteride,
Yes.
not not transplant.
Finasteride is playing the main role.
Yes. So transplant was in support role, or it might not be there in the picture at all. But the credit is going to whom?
Finasteride.
कौन
To
बता रहा है
the
finasteride?
doctor.
To the doctor. So doctors are saying, oh, I did this transplant. देखो मैंने किया.
But actually, the miracle happens with the finasteride.
Yes. Yes. And then, so similarly, you have here in this portion also. We can see these transitional zones. We can see thinning in these portions as well. So the hair thickness also improves in these areas. Many a times, I mean, I don't know whether you guys notice this or not. You will see patients who got transplants done in pre-pictures, their donor is also weak. In post-picture, we see the donor has also become thicker sometimes. If they are not showing you the actual picture, like by showing you the empty gaps, apparently it seems more covered. Why? Again, finasteride is not only working there, it is working here also.
Okay, I don't know yours.
Yes. So you will see, and at times, if you have keen observation. So the only thing I think which can save you is observation. You have to be, you have to have a keen observation. I don't think if you don't pay attention to minor things, you don't belong to medical background. I belong to it, but even I have to. The things which I am telling you, not everyone can tell you, because one has to have that type of observation, and observation improves with level of awareness, and level of awareness improve with meditations. So I think you guys should also try doing it. Meditation is simple. I mean, just observe your breath, observe your thoughts, observe your actions, observe your emotions,
Yes.
observe your feelings. So that is meditation, nothing else. So now, third thing which finasteride can do is the aesthetics of hairline. Okay, so you have some hair in these portions also. I mean, if we see this with a bigger microscope, so there are hair in this portion as well. So you will find a lot of females complaining that when we apply minoxidil, we notice hair growth on the forehead.
Yeah.
So these, obviously, when a male takes finasteride, he will have some growth over here. These small vellus hair, they get slightly thicker, but not very thick, but slightly thicker. So they become more visible to the naked eyes, and still they maintain their softer look. So what happens when we do transplant? Now we have done this in your case. If we see, so we have used these hair. There are very fine hair also which have been used. And see, now the thing is, when already existing hair in this zone, they become little thicker. They give a softer look to the hairline. So it improves aesthetics of the hairline. And only 3 criteria which you focus when you are comparing results are coverage, density, and aesthetics of hairline. These 3 things. So if doctor has slight basic knowledge of drawing the hairline, that is also very important aspect, because some people you will find some YouTubers with very grand type of hairlines and giving information, education, or maybe misguiding people with that kind of hairlines which they have. I mean, so see, it is work of a doctor, and at least of a guy who has some basic level of integrity and intelligence. Not everyone can do this. Okay, and there are a lot of people who just do this out of passion. They are guiding people in such a wonderful way. I know a few of them, and that's a good thing. That gives happiness to the person for which they are working and to the person himself. So it is joy of sharing. But many people have made this a business, and please don't fall prey to such things. And otherwise, you will get ruined, because we see a lot of repair cases who come to us for
हाँ, हर गली नुक्कड़ पे
हर गली
transplant.
नुक्कड़ पे transplant. And another thing, you were telling some special technique of FUE they were using 25 to 3000 grafts, which we did in 1800, and that too after some time,
After
like
1 year
after
also,
1 year.
after 1 year.
In
More
this
than 1
1
year
year,
actually.
more than 1 year. So in this 1.5 year, you might have lost some more hair,
Very
some
lost.
more thinning. You already you were taking finasteride 1 mg per day. And how long did you take it?
I have taken the finasteride for around 3 to 4 months
That
on
then
the
you
regular
stopped.
basis, but after April I haven't taken the finasteride.
So that means, see, when we expose our body to a medicine like finasteride, finasteride has a risk of like potential side effects, and it can cause in some patients loss of libido or erectile dysfunction, gynecomastia. So it is not the medicine which is to be started immediately after transplant. Many a times, if the patient does not give any history of any previous medicinal intake, not in terms of minoxidil or finasteride. So we generally prefer starting what you call minoxidil rather than starting both.
Finasteride.
Okay, so people will make you scared of hair loss. They will say that you need finasteride to sustain your existing hair. If you don't take that, you will have serious problems. And there are 2-3 issues which I want to highlight here. One, whether it is you or your doctor who needs finasteride more. If somebody is saying, okay, I'll do 3000 grafts in this portion, eh, and even then they are giving 1 mg finasteride per day. So that means there is something fishy in this. And but people who are looking for hair transplant, who are looking for a solution with a low frequency, with the frequency of fear, they won't be able to tap this. They won't be able to see this. They will just say, oh my goodness, what a hair growth. Come on, I should go there and I should get it done. I think there should be two different slabs for doctors. The doctors who use finasteride constantly, continuously, irrespective of patient's age, previous treatment records, everything, they have to give finasteride 1 mg to each one of the patients. I think these doctors should be paid less, because the entire work is not coming through doctor's hand. A lot of work is being done by finasteride. So I think this patient should pay some money as royalty to the people who made this medicine finasteride. I think so. Or these doctors should pay some royalty or donate in charity to the makers of finasteride, the guy who researched the medicine, to their family, or maybe they should make a charitable trust in the name of that person who discovered finasteride. Because a lot of businesses are being run on finasteride. They are standing on the pillar of finasteride. A lot of transplant results. You see a lot of people giving testimonials, happy interviews, but the poor chap does not know the growth which he thinks that is because of his doctor's efforts, is not purely because of his doctor's efforts. And many a times people come to us, they say, we took finasteride for 1 year, doctor told us to take for that long, and then we stopped, we had some problem. Or even if we were taking the medicine after maybe 1.5, 2 years, did not keep working at that at that intensity. So that is the sign of tolerance. We all know tolerance is a common phenomena. 2% and 5% minoxidil are US FDA approved.
Okay.
You don't find 7.5, 10%, 12.5%, 15% outside India. Okay, you don't get these trends in US, but these are available here. What was the reason? Why did these companies, pharmaceutical companies, need to introduce this? Because 5% was not working.
Yes.
Why wasn't 5% working? Because patient developed tolerance to that. Do you really think if you get tolerant to 5%, going to 10% is a very great idea? Do you really think that?
No.
going to 15%
No,
now.
Actually,
Now,
the medicine already has side
yeah.
effects.
Secondly, not side effects alone. See, they moved from 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15. One day they will cross 100%. I'm damn sure about this. But this is not going to end your problem. See, the thing for tolerance is drug holiday. I read this concept way back, 25 years back when I was in medical school. Drug holiday. So you increase the gap, reduce the dosage. That's how it works. There are studies which show clearly 0.2 mg finasteride also works. Maybe 0.1 mg might work little more in the beginning. But are you looking for this solution for just to stay there for maybe 1 year or 2 years, 1.5 years? The clinic will use you as a shield. वो दिखा देगा, वो चमका देगा दीवार पे चिपका के आपको कि हाँ जी ये देखो क्या बढ़िया हमने ट्रांसप्लांट करा. आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली कंसर्न व्हाट क्लिनिक हैज विद यू. सो दैट इज क्लिनिक सेंट्रिक अप्रोच. आप क्लिनिक को चलाने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुए हो. क्लिनिक आपकी मदद करने के लिए पैदा हुआ है. डॉक्टर आपकी इस जर्नी में टुवर्ड सेल्फ लव, सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस हेल्प करने के लिए पैदा हुआ है. एक है ना. तो वो दैट शुड गो इन सिंक. ऐसा नहीं कि आप उसको मतलब कुछ भी देते रहो, कुछ भी करते रहो. सो आई एम गिविंग दिस मेडिसिन अगर सिंस नाउ यू हैव टेकन दिस.
Yes.
But I didn't know that you stopped these months. I mean, 4-5 months back. So we actually don't need to give at that dosage now.
Okay.
So even 0.5 mg 5 times a week is will be high for you because most of the effect of the drug is kind of gone. So in such cases, now the important fact is we have to sustain the hair growth which he has, his original hair, and at the same time, it is, see again, I'm telling you, suppose if a guy of age, say 60 years, 45, I'm 45 years of age, I've got a transplant done, I'm not on minoxidil, not on finasteride. What will happen if I take finasteride? It will further improve the thickness of these hair. I don't need it. Okay, I'm happy without finasteride. I'm so happy. But why the hell on this planet you want to introduce something which is risky in the life of a person? If I go to a clinic and they say you take 1 mg finasteride because we have a policy, we give 1 mg finasteride to all the patients. Are you giving this 1 mg finasteride for this guy? Don't you have enough faith in your work? Don't you think that every person is not same? I know if I take finasteride, even if I don't have any aggressive hair loss, even then, if I take finasteride, just in name of it will improve my hair. But people are being forced this medicine just in name of sustenance of your hair. My hair are kind of sustained. They are pretty good. But what people say, why do they push finasteride to you? They'll say, see, transplanted hair को तो कुछ नहीं बिगड़ेगा. पर आपके अपने बाल जो है वो तो चले जाएंगे. उनको बचाने के लिए तो आपको भाई फिनेस्ट्राइड लेना ही लेना है. नहीं दोगे तो भाई काम हो जाएगा आपका. तो मतलब आप समझो लेना ही पड़ेगा भाई आपको, कैसे भी हो जाए. मुझे बोलो भाई ये बात, तुम मुझे बोलो कि मेरे को लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो मेरे बालों का कबाड़ा हो जाएगा. नहीं होगा. बट यस, फिनेस्ट्राइड आई टोल्ड यू डज 3 थिंग्स. एस्थेटिक्स भी इंप्रूव करेगा आपके ट्रांसप्लांट के. सो you whatever results you are seeing with finasteride is beyond the capability of that particular clinic. अगर मैं आज finasteride खा लेता हूँ तो मेरा जो अभी रिजल्ट दिख रहा है, देखो कोई कमी दिख रही है आपको इसमें? देखो कोई कमी लग रही है? बिना finasteride, बिना minoxidil यार. अगर आपको कोई एक इतनी कैपेबिलिटी रखता है कि आपको बिना finasteride minoxidil के भी रिजल्ट दे सकता है, तो कोई जरूरत थोड़ी ना है. और कोई आफत आ रही है कि हमें फिनेस्ट्राइड अभी ही खाना है इमीडिएटली एकदम ट्रांसप्लांट के बाद. देयर आर सो मेनी केसेस व्हिच आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. मेरे काफी पेशेंट्स में आपको मिलेंगे जिनमें हमने कुछ समय के बाद फिनेस्ट्राइड ऐड कर दिया. बट अगर मैंने आपको मान लो साल भर के बाद फिनेस्ट्राइड ऐड किया, मान लो मुझे लगा कि अब थिनिंग हो रही है, साल भर तक मेरा मिनॉक्सिडिल पे चल गया. सो बिकॉज मिनॉक्सिडिल आई कैन बाय सेपरेट टाइम विद मिनॉक्सिडिल. Why should I order? Why should I mix? If I have money for 7 days food, it does not mean that I bring all the 7 days food together in my on my table today itself. 6 दिन क्या खाऊंगा मैं? भूखा रह जाऊंगा. तो that means बाद में भी इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. पर बाद में इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो मेरा तो बड़ा नुकसान हो जाएगा भाई, आपके डॉक्टर का नुकसान हो जाएगा बहुत। क्या नुकसान हो जाएगा? ही विल लूज द फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी। ठीक है, वो फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी जो फिनेस्ट्राइड दिलाती, जो दिला रही, और आप लोग वही देख के डिसाइड कर रहे हो कि ये क्लिनिक अच्छा है, ये क्लिनिक खराब है। आपको ये पता ही नहीं कि आपके 3000 4000 ग्राफ निकल सकते हैं, नहीं निकल सकते। यू डोंट नो दैट। बट आप सोच रहे हो कि ये 3000 4000, ये तो यार इतना था, इतने तो लग ही गए होंगे बाल क्योंकि इतना भर गया। पर कितने बाल लगे और कितने बाल वास्तविकता में उगे दवाई से, हाउ विल यू डिफरेंशिएट? तो आपको पता तो चलेगा नहीं। आपको कब पता चलेगा? जब या तो आप दवा छोड़ोगे या दवा आपको छोड़ेगी। और तब पेशेंट्स आते हैं जो दिखाते हैं कि देखो हमारा इतना खाली है सर, ट्रांसप्लांट के सर 1 साल बाद तो कमाल का गजब काम किया था डॉक्टर साहब ने, गजब, मतलब कमाल, इतना सुंदर काम किया था, मजा आ गया था सर। जो मेरे को देखता था बोलता था क्या भालू गए यार तेरे, तू तो कमाल है यार, कहाँ से कराया, मुझे भी बता दे, मैं भी जाके कराता हूँ। बट वो जो गैप्स थे, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल शो यू, आप देखें ये ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ है और ये गैप्स हैं काफी सारे, आप देख रहे हैं। द पेशेंट वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि भाई मेरा बहुत अच्छा ट्रांसप्लांट हो गया। देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ गैप्स इन बिटवीन दीज हेयर। ये जो पीछे के पोर्शंस थे ये भी सब भर गए थे जब इन्होंने फिनेस्ट्राइड खाया। He was happy. He thought doctor did a wonderful job. Now you can see there were so many gaps. Now the grafts are kilometer away. You can see that, है ना? दिख रहा है gap. So now if you see these here, but he wasn't seeing this gap earlier when he was on finasteride. So that is what I want to show you. See, this is what happens when finasteride is given, and then maybe if it is withdrawal or if it stops working on the head of patient, you will find gaps, and these gaps are going to trouble you a lot. And you know, the rebound which you see if you stop finasteride is very severe at times, very severe, intense. And once you get used to, your body gets accustomed to this medicine, lesser medicines generally don't work that way.
Okay.
And anything above 2 months, 3 months can make you kind of habitual, and then it becomes little difficult to manage without these medicines. So if 100 of you are getting a transplant done, it does not mean that all 100 need 1 mg finasteride per day. It does not mean that finasteride should be started from day one of the surgery. It does not mean, in some patients you may not need finasteride at all. But again, the doctor is there to help you. You are not there to help the doctor. You can pay your gratitude to the doctor. Okay. Yeah, but primarily it should be a patient-centric approach. It should not be doctor-centric approach, clinic-centric approach. Clinic तो अपना सामान बेच के साइड हो जाएगा, clinic तो आपको एक commodity की तरह यूज कर लेगा, but आपकी लाइफ है, आपको देखना है. तो don't get misused by people. एक true guidance की आपको जरूरत है, and the relationship between doctor and patient should be based on trust. If I am underusing my resources in good faith, okay, I am there. We can see, we can follow, we can. हम आंखें मूंद कर तो नहीं बैठ गए कि हम अगर बाल गिर रहा है और हमने तो कह दिया नहीं, मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगा, बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगा मैं. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जरूरत होगी तो हम देंगे, पर कब जरूरत होगी? आप अपनी अकल तो इस्तेमाल करो. सामान अच्छा दिखाने के लिए आपको कुछ भी दिखा दिया जाता है, कुछ भी बता दिया जाता है, और आप बिल्कुल आंख बंद करके कूद पड़ते हो कि हाँ, क्योंकि आपकी गलती नहीं. आप डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करोगे? या तो ऐसा हो एक डाई आती हो, जो डाई हम यहाँ पे डालें और पता चले फिनेस्ट्राइड का जो बाल है ना वो नीले रंग में आ जाएगा, और उस डाई के बाद जो अपना बाल है वो लाल रंग में आ जाएगा. तो पता चल जाएगा यार ये लाल वाले बाल तो है डॉक्टर साहब ने उगाए, और नीले वाले बाल जो है ना ये तो भाई उगाए है दवाई ने. तो आप कह दो अच्छा चलो देखो इतनी कवरेज आपने मेरे से इतना पैसा चार्ज किया था, ये 90%, ये जो 70% या 50% या 40% जो नीला वाला बाल है ना, इसके पैसे आप मुझे प्लीज रिफंड कर दो. और मुझे रिफंड ना करो तो कम से कम उस बेचारे की फैमिली को रॉयल्टी दे दो जिसने फिनेस्ट्राइड बनाई थी. तो खैर ये सारी चीजें, ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव गिवन यू बिकॉज you need to know this. If you are watching this video for the first time, if you have heard about Dr. Shail Gupta or Satya Clinic for the first time, this is your lucky day. You have just hit the jackpot. And go and do your research because this information is very rare. Okay, and very rare. And if you did not come across my video,
Mm.
so then probably you would have decided the same thing and go ahead with
With the same doctor.
Same
Maybe with
doctor.
same doctor.
So that's a big problem, you know. And then 3000 grafts, 1 mg finasteride, and all that stuff. And when I think your surgeon should have surgical skills, knowledge of all the methods. FUT is also very important. Now, if in case we need another surgery after some point of time, you have thinning in these areas, uh, that surgery would be FUT. We have discussed this.
Yes.
So, if you choose an incomplete clinic, especially I'm talking about high grade baldness people or people who have already done one transplant and they are now going for a second transplant, these guys should pay attention, because if you are going a second FUE from the same donor, you are going to ruin your donor. There will be very high transaction rate because there is scarring at the back of head. It is not a scarless surgery. We know that. Okay, and people will make you scared of that big scar. इतना बड़ा scar आ जाता है FUT में कि भाई बड़ी परेशानी हो जाती है. ये तो बाबा आदम के ज़माने की टेक्निक है. इसको तो कौन करता है? All that is bluff and shit. So don't believe this. Okay? Use your brain. देखो आप कैसे अपने डोनर का मैक्सिमम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. कितना डोनर की आपको ज़रूरत है. अगर कोई डॉक्टर मेहनत करके ईमानदारी से काम करके आपके लिए सोच के, यू नो व्हाट, जब फिनेस्टाइड वाला डॉक्टर बाल डालता है, स्लिट्स बना, ये ख्याल मेरे दिमाग में कई बार आता है जब मैं स्लिट्स बना रहा होता हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ क्या यार, अगर मैं फिनेस्टाइड वाला डॉक्टर होता तो मेरे को इतना काम करना ही नहीं पड़ता, इतनी मेहनत की जरूरत क्या थी. यहाँ डाल दिया और उसके बाद पीछे तो हो गया, सब दवाई संभाल लेगी. तो ये होता है. ऐसे समझो कि जैसे किसी के फादर बहुत बड़े दबंग MLA है और ये कर दिया वो कर दिया, बाकी तो वो सब संभाल लेंगे, देखा जाएगा. तो ऐसे ही होता है ये फिनेस्टाइड. मतलब सी, आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम माई हार्ट, स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. And some people might find me a little arrogant, but I'm not. This is all the things I'm telling you out of compassion, because I really feel for those people who have been butchered, who have been misguided, and unfortunately there was no looking back from there because the donor is gone and the body is exposed to those medicines which should not have been exposed at least that early. So think about all this. और आपका तो बहुत बढ़िया दिख रहा है, मजा आ गया. आप भी कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? मैं ही बोले जा रहा हूँ.
आपने भी एक लाइन बोली थी, आई माइट बी एरोगेंट, तो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा स्पोर्ट्स को ज़्यादा लव करता हूँ. लाइक मैं एक बार क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो का वीडियो देख रहा हूँ, तो उन्होंने बोला था कि लाइक लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि आप बहुत घमंडी हो, एरोगेंट हो. तो बोलता है कि जिस ग्राउंड पे मैं खेलता हूँ वहाँ पे एरोगेंसी बहुत जरूरी है, बट अगर आपको एक्चुअली देखना है मैं कैसा हूँ तो आप मेरे घर पे आइए. तो इन द सेम वे अभी यहाँ पे सच्चाई बोलना जरूरी है, और अगर आपको एक्चुअली देखना है कि डॉक्टर कैसे, तो प्लीज विजिट अ क्लिनिक and have a consultation. That is all from my side.
When you have some kind of mental level, sometimes you cannot make friends with everyone.
Correct.
You need to have people who are at the same frequency. But if you find very few people with that frequency, it does not matter. I'm happy with myself. Okay. Thank you so much. So now we see this portion, the entire area has been done. You don't see those artificial triangles which generally people draw. It's a freehand drawing which we generally make, and we have done this filling. We have worked on the temples this side as well. We have brought the hairline little low because forehead was like looking little up, and we have done this portion also, the core portion. And just turn around please and let's have a look at the donor. So donor also looks pretty good. So you see, cherry picking is obviously there. We have taken out multi grafts, but we have taken a good number of single unit grafts as well. Now see, there are two options. One, now this is 1800 grafts. Now people were telling him 3000 grafts by FUE alone. Okay, and that too from this donor. Now you see, with 1800 the donor is still healing, but we have consumed this much of area. Now if I have to actually do, and he has good density. Not everyone has this kind of density. Now if I need 3000, I have to go up. Now this is unsafe donor zone. We can see thinning up till here. Thinning can extend further down and we can have problems. Okay, so there are only two ways of getting 3000 grafts in a patient, even in a patient who has a good donor by FUE alone. One, over extraction. Three ways actually. Three ways. One, over extraction. Second, going to unsafe donor zone. And third, telling a lie. So I think the most comfortable and convenient is telling a lie. So that's what happens, because if 1800 grafts after 1.5 year of slight progression of baldness can fill front and crown with even without finasteride, then you can imagine 3000 with 1 mg finasteride per day. So if you see the results, if you see, go and watch the gallery, use your brain, and in most of the clinics, the results which you see are 1 mg finasteride per day. So minus, reduce it, maybe half of the density you can easily reduce, because that finasteride is an oral topic. It is a hair fiber which you eat actually. Okay, you don't spray it, you eat it. And secondly, if you find consistently high numbers, if you find only one technique being done and claiming those high numbers, if you see grade 6, grade 7 also getting filled with the magic. So the magic, surgeon obviously plays a role, but the bigger magic, he is in supportive role. The lead actor there is finasteride only. Okay, so that's the power of finasteride. तो नमन करते हैं, प्रणाम करते हैं फिनेस्टाइड की पावर को, ताकत को, और कोशिश करते हैं कि आगे हम ध्यान रखें. तो हमारा जो एक वेबसाइट है, देयर इज अ गैलरी देयर, जिस पे आप अच्छे से जाएं, देखें. बहुत सारे केसेस आपको वहाँ पर मिलेंगे. यू विल फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ केसेस, अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ देयर, एंड डिटेल्स. इफ वी gave this medicine post transplant, then what was the reason? Why did we choose this? Why didn't we give finasteride? Why did we start finasteride? Or why did we start finasteride in that particular case? So that you can relate. Because I believe nobody is going to tell you. Because why would doctor take a risk? And even if the doctor knows that he has not done justice to the patient, he has faked the numbers, then don't expect these guys to tell you anything. Don't expect. You are lucky you're watching me.
सर एक चीज और आई वांट टू ऐड, वो ये है कि लाइक आई हैव अ फोबिया कि पता नहीं इतने ग्राफ्स बोलेंगे तो डालेंगे कि नहीं डालेंगे. ये जनरली मतलब जेन्यून सवाल है जो आना चाहिए सभी के दिमाग में. तो ड्यूरिंग द सर्जरी आई वाज आस्किंग कि हाँ कितना ग्राफ्ट निकाला, कितना निकाला. तो बोला कि 1800. मैंने कहा अभी रहने दो 1800, पहले 1800 डालो. सर ऑल्सो सेड कि हाँ 1800 पहले डालो, उसके बाद फिर करेंगे. एंड देन सर ऑल्सो सेड कि हाँ ठीक है अभी थोड़ा सा और जरूरत है, 100-150 और निकाल लेते. तो डालते टाइम में पूछ रहा था कि हाँ 1800 हो गया, ठीक है, नाउ इट इज डन, इसके आगे और कुछ नहीं जाना है, बस इतना ही करना है.
ठीक है. सो होता क्या है कि वी जनरली टेंड टू कीप लोअर नंबर्स, कंजर्वेटिव नंबर्स. अगर मैं आपके लिए कुछ छोटे नंबर लेके चल रहा हूँ, तो वो छोटे नंबर में मुझे नहीं मालूम कि अगर हो सकता है मेरा पेशेंट मुझे बोले सर अरे ये एरिया तो छूट गया, वो एरिया तो छूट गया. अगर मैं आपको फिनेस्टाइड नहीं दे रहा हूँ, मुझे पेशेंट बोले ये सर ये एरिया तो छूट गया. व्हाई वुड द डॉक्टर टेक अ रिस्क आफ्टर अर्निंग अ रेपुटेशन? व्हाई वुड ही टेक द रिस्क? But only a honest guy who knows what he is capable of, who knows what he is doing, can take this risk for you, for your sake. हर डॉक्टर शैल गुप्ता नहीं हो सकता, पर ऐसे मेरे जैसे और बहुत लोग होंगे. Connect to them, but you will be able to connect to them only when you search with the frequency of love. So that's my message. Thank you. Take care.
हाय, आई एम शुभांशु सिंह सिंगर और मेरा अभी जस्ट ट्रांसप्लांट हुआ है. ये 8 तारीख को हुआ था और अभी लगभग 15 दिन हो गए हैं. मेरा ये सेकंड विजिट है यहाँ पे क्लिनिक में आफ्टर द सर्जरी, क्योंकि इसके बाद मैं जा रहा हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे जाना है, आई मीन टू माय फाइनल लोकेशन. और ट्रांसप्लांट काफ़ी अच्छा है. आप देख सकते हो कि जो हेयर लाइन है थोड़ी सी ऊपर है, जो कि मैंने खुद ही बोला था, क्योंकि बहुत नीचे बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो इसलिए सर ने मुझे जो सर्जरी की है वो ऊपर ही की है, और ये काफ़ी एस्थेटिक लुक भी दे रहा है. और मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि लाइक मुझे 1800 ग्राफ्स लगे. आप अगर जेन्युइनली देखोगे तो यू फील कि 1800 से ज़्यादा ग्राफ्स हैं. और जो वर्क हुआ है मेरे थोड़ा सा टेम्पल में हुआ है, लिटिल बिट ऑन द क्राउन ऑल्सो, और बाकी सारा फ्रंटल एरिया कवर हुआ है. और ड्यूरिंग सर्जरी लाइक थोड़ा सा पेन तो होता ही, ऑब्वियस सी बात है. जब सर्जरी होगी तो पेन तो होगा. लाइक व्हेन समवन एक्सर्ट दैट एनेस्थीसिया इनटू द हेड, तभी पेन होगा आपको, उसके बाद आपको फील नहीं होगा। एंड देन स्वेलिंग की बात करें तो स्वेलिंग मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आई है। लाइक मैंने फ्रंट बैंडेज 4-5 दिन पहना था और मैंने वो हेड बैंड भी पहना था ब्लैक कलर का, जिसकी वजह से स्वेलिंग नहीं आई है। और 5 दिन की मेडिसिन थी जो कि कंप्लीट हो गई थी, उसके बाद अभी कोई मेडिसिन नहीं है। इसके बाद मैं 0.5 mg 3 डेज अ वीक यूज करूंगा। एंड देन बाकी जो रूटीन एक्टिविटी है वो तो मुझे करनी है। और बाकी एक चीज और कहना चाहता हूँ कि लाइक जैसे मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब, फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट, फ्रॉम द गूगल, काफी लोगों से बात भी किया था। लाइक यहाँ पे आने से पहले एक जगह और बात की थी मैंने जाके, तो उन्होंने मुझे कुछ और ग्राफ्स बताए थे, बट नेवरदलेस अभी मुझे सही डायरेक्शन मिला और मैं इधर पे आया। और इधर पे मुझे बताया गया कि 1500 ग्राफ्स डाले हैं, 1500 से 1800, एंड दैट वाज हैपन। और एक चीज कहना चाहता हूँ कि लाइक आप पहले रिसर्च करो, चीजों को पता करो कि करना है क्या आपको। लाइक आप बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखो, बहुत सारे लोगों से रिव्यूज ले लो कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। उसके बाद एक बार बोलूंगा कि आप क्लिनिक जरूर आओ, एक बार एटलीस्ट हैव अ कंसल्टेशन विद द डॉक्टर, एंड आपको एग्जैक्ट नंबर पता चलेगा। लाइक कल सर का लाइव सेशन था तो मैं देख रहा था तो लोग बहुत सारे सवाल पूछ रहे थे, तो मैं उसमें एक कमेंट भी किया था कि यार आपको अगर एग्जैक्ट पता करना है तो थोड़ा सा पैसा खर्च कर एक बार क्लिनिक में आ जाओ और पता कर लो कि क्या है एक्चुअली, ठीक है। तो बस अभी यही है, अभी मैं एकदम वेट कर रहा हूँ फॉर माई गुड हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट रिजल्ट्स। बस इतना ही है। एक छोटी सी लाइन है, लाइक हरियाणा आया हूँ तो हरियाणा में बोलूंगा। लाइक वो लाइन ये है, सर के लिए है, टू ऑल द व्यूअर्स जो भी ये देख रहे हैं, कि क्यों पड़ेगा चक्कर में, कोई ना है टक्कर में। जय हिंद।
So you have seen Shubhanshu's video, a 15 days post-op video. Stay tuned. We are going to post the new video, 6 months result. And this is a great transformation with least intervention. So please stay tuned. You will get to see a great result. Thank you. I love myself.